Our Yz250 build is getting a new owner and I'm really happy about it. Hey, what's up guys, Radar here with Dirt and Iron, and as I said, Yz250 is loaded in my truck. I'll show you right there. We have a bunch of stuff that comes with the bike. There's a lot of things inside, a lot of brand new stuff and some stock transmission and other things, so it's a really good deal for one lucky guy. And why I really love this deal is because this bike is going to be a surprise for one guy's high school graduation. So we are going to meet right now with his father, Mac, and he just texted me. So yeah, we are going to meet very soon, and we'll sell bike to Mac, to his father, and then he will hide it for some time, and then give it to his son as a graduation surprise. And also he will have some cameras hidden in the garage. So in this video we will see all that cool footage. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Almost there. I want to see the reaction on Mac's face once he sees the bike. So that's why I'm filming. I want to see authentic reaction. Check out the crazy hill. It should be somewhere here. Nice door. Well, they're probably not here. Let's go to the garage. Hey, Mac. That's Mac.
Brother.
You're his brother. How's it going?
All right, how are you?
Hey, good. How are you?
How you doing, man?
Hey, Mac. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Cool, cool. I'm filming. Hopefully that's fine.
I don't
I'll have it
care.
on the video. Cool. So, it's right there.
Let's check it out.
Yep. Some crazy hill you have here.
That's my brother's house.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. That's bad, man.
What do you think?
I love it.
I have a bunch of stuff in the truck you're gonna love too.
I love it. He's gonna love it. Ooh.
Here is that dirt bike magazine that had it on the cover, so Meg would be happy to have a bike that was on the cover of the dirt magazine. There you go.
Oh, you actually got it for me.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this to him as the gift.
Your boy might like that. It's about 5 pages inside, so decent coverage there.
Really appreciate it, man. Thanks.
Cool, no problem. So Meg, tell me, what's the story with your son?
So, as everybody knows, COVID 2020, he didn't get a graduation ceremony. He goes to Los Alamitos High School, and this is going to be his treat, his present for being a good guy and
Cool.
taking care of business. So he's going to be stoked.
So how long would you hide it from him?
His birthday's also Christmas Day,
Oh wow,
so this is going to be a birthday graduation combination gift.
that's amazing.
So we're gonna give it to him in Arizona near Laughlin. That way he can ride it right away.
Oh, there you go. That's so cool, guys. So this is what makes this transaction so special to me. I'm really glad that we are doing this. Look at his face. He's a little bit not too happy. Okay,
Yeah,
so
right.
we're getting all these parts that I had extra for YZ. It's going with the bike. This should make Mac Jr. really happy once he sees all that. There are a couple scratches on the plastics. That's why we have everything double, so he can bring this bike back to its original beauty when it was just built. And so he's gonna ride it like that a little bit and then bring it back maybe in a couple months or so. Franz?
Happy.
Has a nice bottom, right?
Oh yeah, it's real peppy.
Cool. Working on the paperwork a little bit. And then straight to Arizona.
that something that women go through? What? No. No. Yeah.
That's a graduation gift, buddy.
Thank you.
Sweetness.
You're not gonna touch it?
Yeah.
I guess you're gonna go dirt cycling today.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know what to say.
No? You don't know?
Thank you.
I'd be suiting up right away.
I'm about to.
Here's right there. Woo-hoo.
You're a good boy.
Thank you.
That's awesome, dude.
I think it's
I
beautiful.
hugged Mom twice. I was here when she told him to do it.
Alright my friends, so couple weeks passed and check out who come to meet me here at Kauai. So Mac Jr. is here and he brought his new Yz250. We want to have a little bit of talking, but it's super windy outside, so we're gonna take it inside the truck. I'll see you soon. I'm glad to have Mac here. This is the video, probably the longest video I did. We started a long time ago with your dad in my old truck. Now we are in my new truck, and then we met, and you know, then a couple of weeks passed, and Mac found the bike in the garage. So tell me a little more about what happened when you found the bike and about your feelings and how everything went.
Well, I've been watching the whole build series on the bike, me and my dad, and keeping up with it. It's a super sweet bike, and my mom actually, while we were out in Arizona, was like, oh, let's go drive around a little bit, and I was like, all right, that's normal. Got back after about an hour of driving around by the water and hanging out, and came back, and there she was in the garage, sitting there with little accessories and different things, and I was stoked. It definitely shocked me. I didn't really have a crazy reaction. I was just kind of speechless.
Cool. And this was your Christmas, graduation, and whatnot, like all the gift combined, and your birthday too,
Yeah,
right? Your
birthday.
birthday around that time.
Christmas Day, birthday.
Cool. Well, happy birthday. And so how old are you now? 18?
19.
19. Okay. Cool. How do you like it? You took it for a ride over there at Arizona. You went for some desert riding, right?
It absolutely phenomenal. It tracks well. It stays it's super planted, and it's super sandy over there. A lot of blow sand, so it's super silty, and the bike handled absolutely fantastic.
Cool.
It stuck good to the ground, and the suspension was perfect because it's a lot of deep whoops and ruts and different things that you have to kind of ride through over there.
Yeah, you seem to be like around 180, 190 maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was set for 190. I'm actually 200 now, but I set it with this hope that I'm gonna lose 10 pounds, but I didn't. So it's exactly for you now. So that's cool.
No, it feels perfect.
All right, cool. So let's go for one quick lap. I was behind Mac on the track. As I said, this is his very first time on the track. We are at Kauai Vet Track. All right, guys. So let's do one lap, following Mac on this Yz250. This is a new section on the vet track. Let's go outside. This is his first time to this track, so this step down is a little bit tricky if you are first time here. But he's doing okay. Looks like he likes it. He's looking pretty good on the bike.
I love Yz250s. It's my favorite bike. I was actually saving up for one while all this was going on. So I got home, me and him were watching all the videos. I was watching you build it and all the little details and different things going on it. And
Cool.
it was just super cool to watch it all go together. I wouldn't expect that I'd have it now, but
You know, your dad, he was so happy. Like, he called me, and he was the first guy who called me on when I posted on for sale. And then he said, I want to get it for my son and as a birthday, graduation present. And so he was really stoked. First he said that he didn't believe the ad was real because it looked too good.
Yeah.
So he was like, it's just some kind of scam. But then he called me and we talked, and he's like, okay, it's real. So he asked me if I can keep it for him, and we negotiated the price a little bit lower. And then like 1 hour later, somebody else called me and he was like, I'll come right now and I pay full price. I was like, oh, but I already promised this to this guy and his bike for his son, so I kind of like that it's going this way. So then he was like, oh, but I give you full price. I'm like, yeah, but no, I would rather prefer, you know, it goes to the first guy. And then, yeah, when we met with your father and his brother,
yep, my uncle.
yeah, they were like super stoked, and it just went really well. We even prayed together, you know.
Yeah.
It was really great, you know, atmosphere. I was so happy. I was driving back home with a big smile on my face. Like, even though, you know, I kind of wanted to keep it, it's a great bike. Maybe some of you guys will think that I shouldn't have sold it, but I wanted to move on. It's time. I did everything I wanted to do with the bike, and you know, I have KTM 300 now that I'm working on, and that's probably gonna be my bike that I keep. But yeah, as I said, I couldn't imagine to have better owners, new owners for this bike. So it was cool. So your dad was super stoked. Huh?
Yeah,
That was fun.
the whole family was involved in checking it out and stuff. It was pretty sweet.
Cool. And then so I have actually I have a thumb drive Meg brought with the footage from the garage when he first saw it. So let's see what I didn't see it yet, but you guys already saw it because this is the last part of the video. So I have to edit everything together so we would have this nice, you know, video from the beginning when I met Meg's father, the Meg senior, and till now, till this moment. So I think it will be a fun video. So yeah, you guys will enjoy it, I guess. All right, guys. Well, you saw everything from the beginning till the end, and as I said, I'm really happy how everything turned out. Meg is super happy here. I'm super happy. Whole family, you know, like everything was really cool. So you know, this build was with me for a long time, for maybe like 10 months building it, and it kind of come close to you, and it's kind of part of you a little bit. But I'm always happy if I can sell the bike to somebody like this. Like, you remember my bike before, the RMZ 450, went to a really good home. The guy who loved RMZs, he had like 5 of them, and I'm really glad that you know, the end of this build is right here with Mega and his family, and the bike will have a nice future. All right, guys. Well, that's about it for today. Thanks for coming, Meg, and you guys don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.